Hi, I'm Tristan Russo, and this is Car Noises 2. Alright. First, I'm going to start out with 1,000 horsepower Skyline GTR R34. Now I'm going to do a Peugeot 206 rally car. How about a 96 Honda Civic with individual throttle bodies and nitrous? Alright, there we go. We're going to try a 98 Volkswagen Jetta with a VR6 12 valve. Now we're going to do a naturally aspirated 3-rotor. This is a it's an old '83 Supra, forged internals, and T88 Whistler turbo, ball bearing, oil injected. Alright, I'm about to do an RX-7 with a TD08 stage 12 turbo, running 64 pounds of boost and a 5 rotors. Here we go. Don't mind. I'm about to do a flyby at 200 miles an hour with the FD3S graded near spec race car. Okay. That's right, yeah. Shut up. Hi, I'm Tristan Russo. We're on the scene at Hot Import Nights. I'm here with the Jun Integra. It has individual throttle bodies and direct port nitrous injection, so we're going to go ahead and check that out. Here he comes. We're now in the DeLorean from Back to the Future, and we're going to go ahead and turn it on, get it up to 88 miles an hour. Some problems with it. You're at 88 miles an hour. Here we go.